In this video, we'll talk about the instrument cluster of the Porsche Macan Electric. The instrument cluster gives you all the driving information you need at one glance. The Macan is equipped with this fully digital 12.6-inch curved display. The heart of the design are these three tubes here. They create an easy-to-use and flexible display. This is the Porsche driver experience at its best. You're always in focus. With the rotary knob on the steering wheel, you can change what the tubes show you. To toggle between the tubes, press this button. Note how the selected tube is highlighted. To look through the submenus, simply scroll the rotary knob up or down. The left tube displays car-related data. Here you can see the speed limit, the current G-force, tire pressure, plus all information around the battery and charging status. The right tube provides you with information concerning your current driving situation. Everything from turn-by-turn navigation, over the current drive mode, spot chrono if you have it, to radio, music, and phone information, and your customized view. The center tube is the focal point of the Porsche driving experience. It provides you with the main drivetrain information, including recuperation, drive power, and speed. Other warning and indicator lights will pop up between the tubes. All in all, the Macan offers 5 views: power meter, map, the extended map, reduced view if you're into minimalism, and the 3D driver assistance. The 3D driver assistance creates an environmental model with a bird's eye view on your position. This is to help you navigate through dense traffic and narrow places. It is really neat that you can see here what is happening to your car. Look, if I blink, the model blinks. You now know how to switch between the different views. Let me show you how to personalize them. You can adjust the views to your preferences in the PCM. Go to Settings, Display, and select Instrument Cluster. By tapping on Customize View, you can decide what information you want displayed on the right tube of the instrument cluster. For example, you can set the second line to battery temperature. Now you know everything you need to know about the Macan's instrument cluster. Well, have fun on the road and see you in the next video.